The fourth industrial revolution is changing how we live, work and communicate.
Children as young as 12 years old go on social media.
Who should not be using the phone too early?
Posting a lot of things about themselves, details which may be dangerous, and they are not aware of the danger.
Because it starts with that, right?
Unfortunately, in the digital sphere,
not everything that you can use internet for is good.
A lot of children are
vulnerable to being bullied and to be ridiculed
with negative comments.
Just for the spite of it.
Children are not mature enough to take all of that.
It can affect their self-confidence and it can drive them to depression.
It's horrible.
And this is not how we want our society to be shaped by.
And it's important that we educate both kids and teenagers.
If they are the victim themselves,
it's okay to approach us as adults, as parents.
Be sure to be their greatest support system because that's what they really need.
But ultimately, young people themselves have to be part of the solution.
Everyone has a part to play in the community. As long as we're united in this movement, we can make a change.
Hi, I'm Aisha.
And I'm Prem.
Gobind Singh Dio.
Nurul Izzah Anwar.
Hannah Yo.
Jane Teo.
Sigve Brekke.
Azran Osman Rani.
Marianne Clark.
Elisa Surihani.
Yasmin Yusuf.
I'm Monica.
I'm Andrew.
And I'm Rashid.
We stand for
a kinder internet for all.